Greetings. I'm Skelton, Chairperson of the UN Committee on the Rights of the Child. As you may know, the Committee on the Rights of the Child is the body of 18 independent experts that monitors the implementation of the Convention on the Rights of the Child and its optional protocols. The topic of access to justice for children is high on the committee's agenda. In addition to hearing complaints of children's rights violations that are brought under the optional protocol on a communications procedure, the committee is currently drafting its General Comment 27 on children's right to access to justice and effective remedies. Delivering justice for children is vital to combat inequalities, challenge discriminatory laws and practices, and to ensure or restore entitlements that have been denied. The committee's conceptualization of access to justice goes beyond thinking about the criminal or civil justice processes where we already find children, such as youth justice systems or specialized child victims processes or child welfare proceedings, although improving the quality of justice for children in such systems is crucially important too. But this concept of justice also envisions the possibility of using mechanisms for justice to hold duty bearers who are failing to deliver on their obligations towards children accountable, and as a means to provide practical outcomes for children. And this can take us beyond the civil and political rights of children to include their socioeconomic rights too. Of course, there are many pathways to ensure access to justice for children. However, I believe that some key points are crucial to reach this goal. These include children's legal empowerment. We also need capacity building for those who work with and for children, and building an understanding that justice mechanisms must be accessible to children. Accessible complaint mechanisms are especially important to children in detention or in residential care settings so that they can file complaints and access remedies in cases of violations of their rights. The drafting process of General Comment 27 is in its initial stages, and in August this year, the committee received around 300 written contributions from states and civil society. These inputs will feed into the General Comment's first draft, expected to be adopted by the committee plenary in March 2025. From June to August 2025, the committee will conduct consultations on the first draft to adopt the final draft in January 2026. The official launch of General Comment 27, together with a child-friendly version, is expected to happen in May 2026. I believe that General Comment 27 is already making an impact. The contributions and consultations are part of a much-needed global change of systems and mindsets of societies and states towards justice systems that truly consider and respect children's rights and put them at its core. I wish you a fruitful workshop as you focus in on enhancing access to justice for children in youth justice and child welfare proceedings. I'm sure your discussions today will be seeds of the changes that we need to realize.